Hello everyone, bonjour, bonsoir, bon après-midi. Thank you guys for tuning back in. If you watched my previous video, then you knew this video was coming. I hope you're ready for it. So basically I'm going to do a style that I've seen on Instagram before, but this client sent to me and said that she would like. So I'm going to show you guys how I do it. I'm going to try to insert a clip of the style in here. And if you know the original stylist, please put their name in the comments. The style is basically a series of ponytails, and the ponytails are split into two sections that are then twisted into two chunky twists. If you guys would like to see how I do it, definitely keep watching. Okay, so this is my client's head of locks. She has a lot of locks. She got a fresh color, so her hair is washed, and we will not be washing it in this video. But I have separated into sections to get the style started. The original style was separated into 8 sections, but that client had a smaller head and less locks. She has a lot of locks, so we're doing 10 sections. And of course, I'm keeping my bottle of distilled water on me to keep her hair damp as we style it. So after I have cleaned up a section and cleaned up the general parting of that section, I'm gonna then go in and do a retwist of that section. And I'm using the loop method because to me, there's no point in using clips at this point because it gives you more flexibility in styling. The clips kind of, for me, they hinder me. So if I don't need to use them, if the locks are not newer locks, if they're mature and long locks like hers, I don't use clips. So pretty much I'm going to go through and retwist one section at a time, style that section, and move on to the next section. Of course, if you're choosing to do this, you can retwist the entire head and then come back and style it. I just like to do it like this. If I do twists or any type of style that is more meticulous, I like to work section by section to make sure that I focus on the section, make sure I get it right, and then go to the next one. So once I'm done doing this, pretty much what I use here is I dampen her hair with the distilled water, and I added some oils to it, jojoba and almond to be more specific, and then I retwist it, and then I'm gonna add a little bit more just for shine, and then I'm gonna go through and start styling it. And I'm gonna do this by taking each lock that I twisted and making sure it's going in the same direction or in a central direction to create that ponytail. Because when it comes to styling, a lot of what I see sometimes is people, when they do style after a retwist, they just pull the lock from where they retwisted it, from the direction they retwisted it in, and that can sometimes hurt or put tension on the hair or cause breakage. So it's really important to have the hair going in a direction that is in agreement with whatever style you're doing, so it's not putting too much strain on the hairline or wherever those locks may be. Also, this is my client from my most recent lock build-up removal video, and as you guys can see, her hair is doing very well. I'm so proud of her for taking care of it, making sure whoever is doing her hair, if I'm not available, which I'm not really that much available, she makes sure that they do not use any products that's going to cause buildup, and it shows. Her hair is very clean. There's no excessive buildup in her hair like it was before. So I'm really proud of her for that. Her hair looks amazing. Okay, so once I get the locks together, and as you can see, I took my time and positioned every lock in a position that will agree with the style. So then I take a rubber band, or you can do a double rubber band and do a ponytail. And it doesn't have to be tight, super tight. It's just enough to keep the retwist looking neat and hold on to the hair and make sure it looks very defined, but it doesn't have to be super tight. And once I get that ponytail nice and together, I'm going to split it into 2 equal parts and begin the twist. All right, and that's pretty much all there is to it. I did this all throughout her head. One tip for how I got the symmetry right is I counted all her locks and then I compared her locks to the original style that she showed me, and I knew she would need more sections. The original style had 8 sections. I knew she would need more because she has more locks. So I knew I would do 10 instead of 8. So I divided her total number of locks by 10, and that's how I decided how many locks would go into each section to get some type of symmetry going. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you if you've watched all the videos so far in No Break November. If you don't know what no break November is, I'll be doing a video every day in November, attempting to anyway. So stay tuned for more videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. And those of you who are trying to get in touch with me for booking, I get so many emails per day, so it's impossible for you to get an instant reply. So I apologize for that in advance. So email me if you have any questions, any serious inquiries about hair. But for anything else, follow me on social media, Facebook and Instagram, Dxlynlocs. I will post things about pop-ups. I post pictures of hairstyles that I might not post a video of, or I might post a short video on Instagram that I'm not posting on YouTube. So definitely follow me and stay in touch. See you guys in the next video.